Good afternoon, America. It's Michael Duncan Foster here. Michael Duncan Foster right here in the Permian Basin. But look at what I got for you. That's the shortest train that I ever did see. That's the shortest train that I ever did see. It's beautiful out here in the Permian Basin, by the way. Right up beside the train track. Texas. Permian Basin in Texas. I-10 is way out there. I'm riding on I-20 today, as many miles as I can get. I'm so stoked because I'm getting back to good form. Getting back to basically that 6-pack that I had at the beginning. Actually, it was a 12-pack. Is gone. It's going away, and I'm getting back into top shape, back into road warrior shape. Back into road warrior shape. It's beautiful out here. Texas is beautiful. I'm just listening to my radio, classic rock, riding down a lonely road. This is called the Pecos Trail. I'm on a historic route, the Pecos Trail. A lot of oil around here. I went into Pecos and they're basically deserted, because unfortunately